everyone, I'm Astrid from The Wandering Daughter. I'm currently spending quarantine here in sunny San Diego. Since 2018, we've been essentially living out of backpacks. We've traveled through the United States, through Mexico, Costa Rica, Italy, and France. We've also been to Indonesia, Singapore, the Philippines, and Vietnam. Now we're back in the States for the summer and just planning on laying low for a while. So one of the things that families always ask us is, what's in your backpack? What are the things that you carry with you when you travel? We're kind of minimalist travelers, but we still do carry a fair bit amount of stuff with us. We take along 2 checked bags that are 75 liters. And then we also do 4 backpacks, which we use as carry-ons. Today I'm going to talk to you about some of the travel accessories that we take along with us when we travel. And in actuality, a lot of these items are essential for you in your home, so you wouldn't necessarily need to be traveling to make use of these items as well. Really, I just want to give you guys a peek at what our daily life is like as around the world travelers. So one of the most basic things we take along with us are packing cubes. These are great for keeping all your stuff in one place. We have one for every member of the family. And we also use packing cubes for other things like keeping toys together or travel electronics or travel gadgets and even shoes. One item that we can't travel without is a water bottle. Now this is no ordinary water bottle. This is called a Grail, and what's special about this bottle is that it has a water filter and purifier that filters and purifies water, so you can essentially drink water anywhere in the world. Another travel item that we take along with us is a travel scale. Now this is kind of more of a vanity travel item because you don't really need a scale, but we like to keep it to make sure that we're staying healthy and not enjoying ourselves too much. Actually, a travel scale is helpful to have to make sure that your bags are within that like 45, 50 pound limit. We like to cook a lot when we travel, but one of the things that really bothers us is when we're at a vacation rental and we pull out the knives and it is dull. So we take along a knife sharpener with us, and this really helps to make sure that our knives that we use, no matter where we are sharp. So one of the most important things that we travel with is this. It's a carbon monoxide detector. Just last year, actually, this thing was going off at a place that we were staying at in Mexico. Well, it turns out there was a water heater that wasn't ventilating properly, and it was basically pumping and building up carbon monoxide in our room. This thing literally saved our lives. We like to watch movies when we travel. I mean, who doesn't like to be entertained? But nothing is worse than watching a movie on a teeny tiny laptop screen. So one of the things we bring with us is an HDMI cable. Basically, it allows us to plug our laptop into the TV. Since my laptop doesn't have one of these inputs, we carry along an adapter too. Final thing that we like to take with us is a Bluetooth speaker. We are big music lovers in our family, and we're always having little dance parties in our living room or kitchen or pretty much any room in the house. The Bluetooth speaker that we have is a UE Boom, but you can pretty much find any good quality Bluetooth speaker. Just make sure that it's small enough to take along in your bag. So those are a few of the things that we like to travel with. They really make travel a lot easier for us and also help make us feel like we're at home, no matter where we are in the world. What are some of the things that you like to travel with? Or what are some of the essentials that you have at home that you absolutely cannot live without? Let me know. And in the meantime, thank you for watching and stay safe, everyone. Until next time, bye.